Bill books are a key requirement for a lot of our customers. If you're purchasing a unit for us, you want to make sure that things work in a certain manner. So what the bill books allow you to do is to prove to your customer with data how this specific unit fare against all of those critical requirements. Back in the old days, you used to have to dig through multiple spreadsheets to put together a story of what happened. It requires a lot of time, manual time. When it comes down to PICO, I can select the serial number, I can say print bill book, and then boom, there it is. A wonderful bill book with exactly the information that we need that I can share with our customers. When the auditor comes in, I'm looking at one system. We have interlocked all of our critical features. The system already knows what is the torque, what tool needs to be used. Me being able to show everything and all of this within one system, it gives confidence. We have the information we need to solve issues efficiently. We're in a digital ecosystem.